Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you something that was really fun and a good way to save some of your plants. So I was cleaning out my aloe vera plants, some of the ones that were turning brown that I didn't like, and I snipped off two of the beautiful stems. Instead of discarding it, what I did was I put it literally in this container filled with water, and in 2 weeks I have roots. So I'm going to plant both of these aloe vera plants because I let them just get a root in the water. I changed the water out every other day and it was no problem. It just grew on its own, so that's perfect. We've all done those potato experiments at school, remember? Well, this is something that's also similar. I was also picking my tomatoes and one of the branches snipped off, so I did the same thing. I put it in a little jar of water and I have these beautiful roots. So now I actually have gained another tomato plant and I'll have even more tomatoes. Now, if you love avocados, you know they're good for you and I love them too. Don't throw that pit away. We're gonna do the same thing. I've taken a little bowl of water here and you can see the pit. Do it just like we did the potatoes. It will take root, I promise you. And if you leave it in there long enough, you'll actually see a shoot start to come out of the avocado pit, and then you can plant it. So don't throw those little ends away of anything. Try and start them anew. It's so easy to do. You know what to do, everybody. Keep it nice and fresh.